Hello, this is Sean Chitos, and I'll be introducing to you my professional development on the implementation of Screencastify within blended learning. For this professional development, it consisted around 10 individuals who had a background of general education teaching and advanced academic teaching. For this professional development, the overall topic I addressed was having teachers create their own instructional videos using Screencastify. The reason why these individuals attended this session was because from one of the blended learning videos we reviewed as a school, student feedback from the videos stated that having teacher-created videos will increase the student's engagement because it is their teacher. The student is able to make a personal connection with the delivery of content. I wanted other staff members of Public Tree to become familiar with creating their own instructional videos so they can increase student engagement. Their overall training was done face-to-face, but before we met, I sent the Google Slides to each participant, and they had to do 3 things. First, they needed to review their learning objectives to see what they'll be attaining from the professional development. Next, they will be completing a technology survey. With this survey, it will let me know as the technology leader where people thought they stand technology-wise. So either people thought they were technology savvy or those who thought they are not technology savvy. And after that, they were to input Screencastify to their Google web browser. So I gave step-by-step directions and how to input that information. So when we started our professional development, we're all ready to go. So at the beginning of our professional development, I want to introduce blended learning because blended learning is what we are doing within our school and in Fairfax County, and it's imperative that we understand this fully and apply this within our classroom. And afterwards, the way I ensured engagement was by creating different activities or stations for the staff members to complete in groups. I organized my groups based on the technological level of each staff member. I paired the technology savvy individuals with those who were not as strong. So the first station I had was individual, and they have a little video here that I created for them to review to kind of get them adjusted to Screencastify and how to use it. Next was partner collaboration. I have a list of questions that they can work on together, and as they're exploring Screencastify together, they can answer and collaborate about. And lastly was group collaboration to share our thoughts together as one. And when we're all done with that, each individual is to create their own video. And with that video would demonstrate their knowledge of using Screencastify. And the way I assessed these individuals was by walking around to each individual, asking questions and checking in to see if they're understanding how to use Screencastify during the professional development. And afterwards, another way of assessing, I had them complete a summative assessment. And with this summative assessment, it gave me an idea of where they're at, what they thought of the professional development, how they're doing, where they can improve, what improvements can I make as a technology leader. And overall, it was a very successful professional development, and a lot of was taken out from this.